this is Seven. Welcome to my time, and today I would like to introduce our iPhone screen. And next, I would like to introduce the model iPhone X OLED screen. And first, let's begin with the display. It is OLED. And it's different to LCD. It can self-luminous. It is no need a backlight to send the brightness. So it is the advantage of the screen. And next, the screen size is 5.8 inch, and the resolution is 2436 by 1125. The OCA is Mitsubishi 175 micron, and the IC was from TXMC. And another advantage is about its PLS. It is 360-degree polarized lens supported, so it has the enjoyment about the visual. And next, I would like to tell something about the difference between the Premium Plus and the Premium series. Last time we talked about the difference mainly about the this one. It has the waterproof sticker, and it has the nano coating to keep the water drops spherical and easy to clean. And also, it has the stronger front glass. That is the difference between them. So let's move to the last part about the active area and the dynamic outline. The dynamic outline is about the outside, length and wide, and the active area is the inside, length and wide. And the ASIC type is COF and CPC. The TP config is tempered glass. And if you want to know more about our product details and discount, you can contact at this email and visit our website. Thank you.